Join me in a short meditative exploration of Psalm chapter 18 verse 30. The Word of God says, "As for God, His way is perfect. The Lord's word is flawless. He shields all who take refuge in Him." This verse highlights about God's enabling power. God makes the believer's path flawlessly clear and strong because He provides the necessary skills and stability for His people. This allows for confident progress even though we may encounter difficult circumstances. The imagery suggests victory and a secure, elevated standing, symbolizing spiritual triumph. God bless everyone.